How to change email ID in Union Bank Online. Need to change your registered email in Union Bank Online? Let's do it step by step. So first, log into Union Bank Online using your username, password, or biometrics. And then from here, go ahead and scroll down at the left side and click on Update Settings. And then on your settings, go ahead and click on View Profile. So then Union Bank will then send you an OTP to access this. Now from here, you'll find your profile information. So to change your email ID, click on email from here and then click on this pencil icon and then enter the new email in here and click on update. And that is how to change your email ID in Union Bank.